What is reverse engineering protection here?
Let's say if attacker gain access of this issue, and this issue firmware, he could able to let's say decrypt the data or reverse engineer what's happening in this issue, or what are the messages he can send from this issue to other issue. So the firmware itself for this issue, until and unless, let's say, we don't have encrypted secure firmware stored, or some protection, in that case it would be difficult to reverse engineer. But if we don't have any protection, he could able to use some tools and reverse engineering the firmware.